this is what Adu and I'm going out because Adu got some money from his grandparents Nana ji and Nani ji for Durga Puja shopping. तो थोड़ा हमने वक्त निकाला है आज शॉपिंग जाने के लिए. तो मिलते हैं, घर से निकलने वाले हैं. एंड वोडका को हमने यहाँ बांध दिया है. ही इज़ ईटिंग बिकॉज विल बी बैक सून so that he eats and he's safe. And Adu is ready to go. We're ready to go. Yes, Adu is ready to go. So let's go. He needs a haircut also. Look how big his hair is. So he needs a haircut. So we're ready to go. See you in the next section. So sitting on a trial room because Adu has gone inside to try a new pan for himself. It is like quite an official shopping for him because till now he was pretty young to shop. So now he's a almost tall man. So it's going to be a very different shopping experience for me also and for him also. And it's only two of us who are here today. So let's see how the shopping goes. And I'm excited for Adu. Thank you Mama, Papa for the Durga Puja shopping dakshina. So this is very obvious in during the Durga Puja time. मतलब हर रिलेटिव पेरेंट्स वो शॉपिंग के लिए देते हैं या गिफ्ट एक्सचेंज करते हैं, देते हैं. So it's a special time to exchange things and buy things. Actually दुर्गा पूजा में ही हम मेन शॉपिंग करते हैं. अब अलग बात है कि और थोड़ी शॉपिंग मैं करती हूँ, पर यूजुअली यही होता है कि दुर्गा पूजा के टाइम पे ही हम मेजर शॉपिंग करते हैं. So for the whole year, birthday and दुर्गा पूजा. So let's see, we have come out shopping and देखते हैं हमें क्या पसंद आता है. So he is hounded by people. तो बहुत सारे ट्राई कर ले. थोड़े डेनिम्स दिखा दीजिएगा. So you've taken both the blues. Trambak, you've taken both the blues, no?
একটা ডার্ক ব্লু হচ্ছে আর একটা লাইট वाला ব্লু.
Taken a dark blue and a light blue. It's almost like a blackish and a light blue. You like it? Denims में कुछ है तो बताएं. So actually we are planning for our food. So we don't understand where to go. You want to go to Sanjeev Chef's thing. Although we are trying out different places for food. The yellow chili is here. Indian, Chinese, continental biryani. There's a smokehouse also. Black coffee club and cafe. So there's one more place here. So we're just trying out where should we do our lunch today. The Smoke Factory. Actually it's a vegetarian day for us. So then it becomes very difficult. Do you want to have pasta, masala, parathas?
Pasta bhalo pasta.
हाँ, so let's see more. So actually I have a fetish for say for South Indian. So truly Indian, usually, but it doesn't seem still open. Burkos, time zone? Shut up. Burkos is there. Let's try Sri Ratnam one more time. No. Let's try this. So we are taking another risk at Sri Ratnam at Gaur Mall.
रवा डोसा किया.
सूजी का डोसा है. हाँ. But you can have paneer and everything. We are here at Sri Ratnam for our lunch. Coffee. Adu, we are coming out like this first time, no?
First time, last में 2 साल गए थे.
2 साल पहले. मतलब सिर्फ हम दोनों.
सिर्फ हम दोनों नहीं. भैया हमेशा पहले साथ में आता था. या
हाँ,
स्टूडेंट है तो भैया.
So this is our first time together, Mama and Adu date, right Adu? So I'm risking again.
এখানে পুরো ভেজিটেরিয়ান
Shri
আছে
Ram, हाँ
এখানে তো সব ভেজিটেরিয়ান আছে
हाँ हाँ.
बढ़िया
सब कुछ पूरी पूरी सब्जी भी ले सकते if you want.
मैं भी देख
So vegetarian day है, so we are here at Shri Ratnam. I'm taking a risk again. देखते हैं कि वाकई में, क्योंकि श्री रत्नम मैंने जब लास्ट टाइम खाया था तो बहुत अच्छा खाना मिला था, जो आपने लास्ट व्लॉग में देखा है DNF के व्लॉग में. So let's see how it is this time and I'll tell you in the next section how the food was. एकदम आदू की नज़र जो है इसके बाद डेजर्ट पे है. उसने खाना देख लिया कि मम्मा ने ऑर्डर कर दिया है, तो एकदम मेनू कार्ड बदल के वो सीधा डेजर्ट पे पहुंचा. एंड आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड लुकिंग एट हिज आईज कि वो अब सोचा डेजर्ट में मैं क्या लूँगा. सो वी आर बिग फूडीज एंड वी लव स्वीट्स, तो डेजर्ट्स होना पड़ता है, अब चाहिए होता है, अब क्या करे. सो आदू सिलेक्टिंग हिज डेजर्ट. या
बादाम
मिल्क यू वांट?
बादाम में साথে हॉट चॉकलेट साउथ इंडियन फिल्टर कॉफी नहीं जानिए কোনটা নিতে
Filter coffee is bad. The filter coffee is bad.
তো या तो हॉट चॉकलेट या तो बादाम मिल्क आपकी কোনটা নাম উচিত
No. So the paneer tikka is here, and because Adu loves paneer, so we are having a first dish is a paneer tikka. This is what it is. It's looking yummy and umami. So a mega meal today with Adu. वेजिटेरियन है, तो मैंने इसको कन्विंस किया है कि अलग अलग चीज़ें खाने की आदत डालें. साउथ इंडियन ये लोग नहीं खाते हैं आदू जॉय, तो एक्सेप्ट फॉर इफ इट इज़ नॉन वेज. तो जैसे गसी मटन, चटनाट चिकन. तो आज वी आर हैविंग पनीर टिक्का, यू सो, मसाला डोसा एंड चटनाट मसाला. और दीपक जी, आई मस्ट से कि अभी इनकी सर्विस फास्ट हो गई है. सो नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर इट इज़. We are here for Adu's haircut, and you will see. What are you doing, Adu? Open up your eyes. So this is the first time you're seeing him without his specs. So we are here at Gitanjali Salon. This is the salon that I always visit for my own stuff. If I'm not calling the Urban Club, then I'm here at Gitanjali Salon. Sorry, उसको कुछ सब्जी वब्जी लगी थी. So I like this place because they have done it up very nicely. So I'll give you next glimpse of him after the haircut. So आपका नाम? हाँ?
मुशर्रफ.
Okay, he is doing the haircut for Adu. So let's see what's up. So Adu is getting a haircut. Please continue. Don't want to disturb him, but definitely I'm looking forward to the haircut. So they're very, very prompt in cleaning up and everything. So it's good, and that's me. It's fun because it's been a long time that Adu didn't get a haircut. So now he's getting a haircut, so it is fun. So in fact, his side blocks, what do you call them? I don't know. So properly, it's looking nice. He's looking shorter with the haircut going on. I'll give you the final result later. Okay? See you in the next section. Adu, with a smile. Yeah. So even the haircut is done. Thank you so much for the haircut. And we'll be back soon. So you look good. Yeah. I like it. Do you like it? Absolutely. Oh, good. बारिश टपुर टुपुर बारिश ये आई लव दिस. कितना पानी हो गया है चारों तरफ. अमेजिंग रेन एट दिस आवर.